Hello my loves, if you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka Mtoto wa Homa Bay County. So today I'm going to show you a weird combo of a meal, but it is very delicious and vegans are going to love this. Have you ever heard of sweet potatoes and green grams as a meal? Yeah, weird. So we are going first to peel the sweet potatoes, of course, wash them, and then we're going to boil them for about 30 minutes. Just check on them, poke them with a knife and see if they are done. Okay, for the green grams, the pojo or the ndengu, I already have a recipe. The only thing you're going to need to add is 1 Royco cube and a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin to the ingredients that I have here. So I'm just going to write them down and you're going to see the video right about now.
The ingredients are green grams, curry powder, 1 tomato and 1 onion, and then I had this leftover carrot in the house, and also carrots in dengus are a thing, so I'm not going to waste this carrot. I'm going to put it in this dengu, so let's go. I'm going to grate the carrots, cut the onions and the tomatoes off camera, and then I'll be back. So in a sufuria, put in the onions and oil, then wait for the onions to turn golden brown. Add in the tomato and the grated carrots and then cover to let it simmer for around 3 minutes. Then now we're going to put in a tablespoon of curry powder, now going to add in the green grams aka ndengu and stir everything together. Add in salt to taste, stir it again. Add in some water, just enough to suit what you're serving it with.
Green grams, they're already done. So are the sweet potatoes. I boiled them for 30 minutes and then I drained out the excess water. Try out this recipe and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye.